All right, everyone, listen up. This is it. This is your official playbook for the Mokxa DX9 Hackathon. For the next 3 weeks, we're going all in on AI and innovation, and this right here is your guide to absolutely crushing it. So let's just cut to the chase. Are you ready for a real AI challenge? Because let's be super clear, this isn't just another project on your to-do list. Nope. This is your chance to get your hands on the most powerful tools we've ever had at Mokxa and build something that really, truly pushes the envelope. And this isn't just a challenge, it's a mission. The goal is pretty straightforward, but, ambitious, to master next-gen AI and use it to literally shape the future of our solutions here at Mokxa. What you build over these few weeks is going to have a real, lasting impact. Okay, so let's start with the big question. Why are we even doing this? It's so important to get that this isn't just about building a few cool apps. This is a strategic move, and we've got some very specific goals in mind. When you boil it all down, our mission has 3 key parts. 1, we want to see practical, hands-on uses of DX9. 2, we're on the hunt for reusable patterns that can help out the entire company. And 3, the big one. We need to generate some seriously innovative solutions that are powered by AI. This is all about leveling up our skills together. All right, so you get the mission. Now let's define the arena. What exactly are you going to be building and what new toys do you get to play with? Trust me, this is where it gets really, really interesting. Your theme is absolutely laser-focused. Building smart, AI-driven applications using Joget DX9. Every idea you have, every line of code you write, it all needs to tie back to this. We're looking for projects that are intelligent, automated, and actually solve real problems. So, what's in the toolkit? First up, we've got generative AI components. Think of this like having a content creator built right into your application. It can whip up summaries, suggest recommendations, or pull key insights out of data, just like that. This tool is incredibly powerful. Next, you've got the form prompt editor. And let me tell you, this is a total game changer for how fast you can build. You can forget about manually coding out complex forms. Now, you just use plain English to describe the form you want, and boom, the platform generates it for you. It's fast, it's smart, it's awesome. And finally, the most advanced tool in the shed, Agentic AI. This is where your apps stop just reacting and start being proactive. You can actually design AI agents that take action on their own, manage complex workflows, and make smart decisions without you. This is the key to building truly intelligent systems. So, what can you do with all this? Well, if you're looking for a little inspiration, here are a few ideas just to get the wheels turning. You could build an intelligent onboarding system, or maybe an AI-assisted workflow to get rid of boring manual tasks. Think of these as jumping-off points for your own amazing ideas. Okay, you've got the mission, you've got the tools. Now let's talk about the clock. Here is your 3-week game plan broken down so you know exactly what to do and when. The schedule is simple, but it's going to be intense. Week 1 is all about getting your team together and submitting that killer idea. Then, weeks 2 and 3 are pure heads-down development, building, testing, and tweaking, all leading up to the final demos at the very end. The main thing to know is you gotta move fast. So here's your checklist for this week. Step 1, find your partner. Step 2, nail down your problem and your solution. Step 3, figure out which of those cool AI features you're gonna use. And step 4, get it all into a proposal and submit it. Let's do this! All right, let's talk about maybe the most critical part of this whole thing, your team. You can't win this hackathon on your own, so let's figure out what the dream team looks like. The magic number is 2, not 1, not 3. Every single team must have exactly 2 people. This is non-negotiable, so find your perfect partner in crime. And look, every great team needs a balance of these 2 roles. You need the builder. That's the developer who's going to be hands-on in DX9, making the app come to life. And you need the thinker, the strategist who defines the problem, shapes the vision, and guides the whole AI strategy. The best teams are going to be a perfect partnership between these 2. Okay, we've gone over the mission, the tools, the timeline, the team. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. How do you actually win? Let's pull back the curtain and look directly at the judges' scorecard. You're going to want to pay close attention here because this is exactly what they're looking for. You'll be scored in 4 main areas: how innovative your idea is, how well you actually use the AI, not just for show, how you leverage the new DX9 features, and the quality of your user interface. And hey, here's a pro tip. If it's a tight race, The tiebreaker is execution. A stable app and a clear demo could be the thing that puts you over the top. Finally, let's talk about what you need to do to cross that finish line. Here's your final checklist of deliverables. At the end of it all, you need to submit 4 things: the working app itself, your source configuration, a short document explaining your solution, and of course, your 5 to 10-minute demo to show off all your hard work. And that's the playbook. You've got the mission, the tools, the schedule, and the scorecard. Everything you need is right here. So there's really only one question left to answer. What innovative solution will you build? Good luck, everyone.